Did you just delete an important message on your Android phone? Don't panic. You might still be able to recover it. And the best part, no app needed. Most people think once a message is deleted, it's gone forever. But that's not always true. There are hidden methods already inside your phone that can help you get it back. First method, notification history. Go to your phone settings and search for notification history. Turn it on if it's not already enabled. Now, if your message was recently deleted, you can actually see it again in your notifications log. Yes, even deleted messages can still appear there. Second method, Google Backup. Go to Settings, then Google, then Backup. If backup is turned on, your messages might already be saved. You can restore them by resetting your phone and choosing the latest backup. Important, this only works if the backup was made before the message was deleted. Third method, WhatsApp Backup. If the message was on WhatsApp, uninstall the app and reinstall it. During setup, it will ask if you want to restore your messages from backup. Tap Restore, and your deleted messages might come back. Try these methods right now, before it's too late. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to recover deleted messages. Did it work for you? Comment yes or no below, and tell me which country you are watching from. We'll create another video for your country. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.